Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this umbrella which I ordered on Flipkart. See here, this is the umbrella called Calldrishe Extra Large Windproof Travel Folding Compact UV Protection Umbrella, which is of black and blue combination. And along with this, I also ordered one BLDC fan, which I'll show you. See here, I ordered these two items: Kenstar Snow Breeze with 2-year warranty BLDC remote control fan, along with this Calldrishe Extra Large Waterproof, windproof umbrella. See, the main reason I ordered this for 430 rupees is this got 4.4 rating, and that too it is extra windproof. So we'll unbox this and check whether it is really that worthy to buy at 440 rupees. Yeah, I have already been using this Polycab BLDC fan and Orient Electric BLDC fan, and this is the third BLDC fan which is of different brand from Kenstar. Yeah, see here, when I open the package, there is just the umbrella with a cover. Yeah, let me just take this out. And to be honest, this is for the first time when I hold it is looking a bit heavy when I compare to the other umbrellas. This is quite heavy. Maybe this is because due to the quality it has, it is looking a bit very heavy. Let me open this cover and I'll check. And before going any further, I'll be unboxing this in the next video and I'll be dropping the link in the description. And this is one Orient Electric BLDC, and this is the Polycab Visineo BLDC fan. Both this Orient Electric and Polycab fans I have been using for the past 8 months. So I did unboxing and review videos which I'll drop in the description below, or I'll tag the products. For more details you can just check. Okay, for now just we'll remove this cover, and for the first time we'll check the cloth quality. Maybe this is the outer cover, or yes, this is the outer cover. Yeah, sorry, this is the cover also provided at case if you want to store it. Yeah, and a Chinese name, and the brand is here, Calldrishe. Sorry if I am not pronouncing it exactly right. Calldrishe. Okay, and the handle also, we'll just have a close look on the handle. First of all, this is a surprise only. The handle is with a grip sort of material. How can I exactly say? This is rubber sort of material. I am not sure whether it is rubber or not. This handle may be hard plastic only, but if you can see the smooth area here, this is just feeling like a rubber grip handle, and which is very good. This I can say, this is not a promotional video or something like that. I'm again repeating that, but this handle I'm very much impressed. And see here, you can keep some baggages here. Means, for example, if you're carrying a cloth bag here, you can just open this lock and place it the cover over here, and you can just close it. Maybe I can demonstrate this also. Yeah, see here, this would be even for the carrying purpose. This is the paper bag. I just made it hang over here just for you to show you. Okay, and see here, the strip lock here is of this one, not the button type. Okay, okay, let me open this for the first time. Okay, this is the button system. Okay, yeah, see here. Okay, fine. And these stripes are of different color, as it is mentioned black and blue combination. Maybe I can have the close look, so let me just keep it on the floor so that we can check the total length. It is bigger size only. Okay, yeah, bigger size. Yeah. And coming to the cloth quality, not that great, normal only. At this price point of view, I felt it would be even more better. And this got some protection here. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this is decently good. Windproof, as they mentioned, flexible, and see, I need to check in the real time when it is windy in the other side, in the outer climate, when it is raining. At that point of time, what I'll do is I'll do a practical test, then I can do a review video on that, or my experience video on this umbrella. So for initially, this is good, and this material is decently good. This handle, this iron sort of material is decently of good quality, that I can feel. And coming to the closure, hard only, hard. Okay, because these strips are of decent quality, that's the reason I'm just feeling with one hand I'm just trying to close this. Yeah, see here, I at last closed, but let me tell you one thing. You can just open this with the button lock, and you can even close it with the button only. Okay, so previously earlier I did a wrong method to close this, but even for closing and opening this button only, I don't know what if this button gets damaged. That I think to check in the practical way. But see here, both opening and closing. Now I need to completely fold this to the handle here, then I can open it again. So yeah, you can just close it like this. See now you can just, very good. Yeah, please do comment your opinions on this umbrella. And in the next video, I'll be unboxing this Kenstar. I bought this Kenstar for 1800 rupees. So this is the first BLDC fan I purchased below 2000. This Orient is 2600, this is 3000 rupees, and this is budget below 2000 rupees. I got this for 1800 rupees. Let me unbox this and upload this video in the description. If you want this video of Orient Electric or Polycab BLDC, just find the description links. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please do comment your questions below.